Python list count method. In this video, we will learn about count method of list object, its syntax and examples. Count method counts the number of occurrences of a given item in the list and it returns that count value. The syntax of count method is count with parameter x, where x is a search item in the list whose number of occurrences in the list has to be counted. Consider a list of items where the item x occurs 3 times. When we call count method on this list with the item x passed as argument, the method counts the number of occurrences of item x in this list and returns that count value. Now let us go through some examples. First example, take a list of strings with fruit names. Fruits is equal to apple, mango, banana and mango. Consider that we have to count the occurrences of mango item in this fruits list. Call count method on fruits list and pass mango item as argument. Print the mango count to the output. Save and run the program. Since there are 2 occurrences of mango item in the list, the count method returned an integer value of 2. In the second example, let us take a list of numbers. Numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 30 and 30. Consider that we need to find the count of item 30 in the numbers list. Call count method on numbers list and pass item 30 as argument. Print the count to the output. Save and run the program. Since there are 4 occurrences of item 30 in the list, the count method returned an integer value of 4. Now consider the scenario where the given item is not present in the list. We have the numbers array. Consider that we need to find the count of the item 99 in the numbers list. Call count method on numbers list and pass item 99 as argument. Print the count to the output. Save and run the program. Since there are no occurrences of item 99 in the list, the count method returned an integer value of 0. In this video, we have covered how to use count method of list object to count the number of occurrences of a given item in the list. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.